Alright, it's evening. We've had the tractor over 24 hours now. And that's what we're going to do now is we're going to unload it. So, I'm trying to get the shop together like everybody else, every small business owner out there. And I don't really have it set up yet for me to unload some of this big heavy stuff. My ramps aren't going to be stout enough, I don't think, although I'll try. No, I won't. Nope, not going to happen because I'm going to have to drive out from underneath it. Yeah. So we're going to strap it to a customer's truck because it just happens to be there. And it's strapped to another customer's truck because that's how I pulled it to where it is. And then I'm going to get in my truck and then, no I'm not, I'm going to sit on the tractor and then I'll have my wife get in my truck and then pull it out from underneath it. What could go wrong? Alright, so this is the strap, and this is the tractor, and this is the trailer, which we're going to use tomorrow. So I have to get the tractor off of it. And I'll hook the truck to it, and that'll be it. And I'll get the wife out here, and yep, that. And now the gladiators approach the arena. Do 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 do. Pretty woman walking to... Wait, no, I'm pretty sure that's copyrighted. Anyways, the wife came to help.